Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return using Genius software. First, gather all your essential tax documents like W-2s and Form 1099s. Next, ensure your Genius software is fully updated to the latest version for accurate processing. Finally, either create a new user account or log into your existing one to begin the filing process smoothly. Now, let's move on to entering your financial information. Carefully input all income details from your W-2s and any Form 1099 documents into the designated fields. Don't forget to enter all applicable deductions and credits you qualify for. Take your time and review each section to ensure everything is accurate before proceeding. Before you finalize anything, it's crucial to thoroughly review your return. Use the Genius software's built-in error checking feature to catch any potential mistakes. Carefully compare all the data you've entered against your original tax documents. Finally, confirm your adjusted gross income and the calculated tax liability to ensure everything looks correct. You're almost done. Now it's time to submit your tax return. Most users choose the e-file option for speed and convenience. Provide all necessary electronic signatures to authorize your submission. Once filed, make sure to save the confirmation number in a safe place for your records. Congratulations, you've successfully filed your return using Genius software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.